Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This exquisite, airy, and modern 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom bungalow is located on the prestigious North Coast, just 5 minutes away from the tourist mecca of Ocho Rios. It sits on 0.42 acres. The property architectural design showcases an open floor concept which seamlessly blends living room, dining, and kitchen, providing that warmth and inviting atmosphere for entertainment. The large windows capture the amazing views of the turquoise blue Caribbean Sea and the lush green mountains. The property boasts an infinity pool, glass windows made to withstand hurricane strength winds, a generator, 2 water tanks, solar water heater. The possibilities are endless, whether it's for private or vacation rental. The back garden has an array of tropical exotic fruit trees, mango, avocado, guava, starfruit, and plum, just to name a few. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 850,000 or Jamaican $130.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.